I'm at Discount Tires. This is how you know I'm in the country. The discount don't even got the eye on it. Like, what? What's up, it's your girl Salasia, aka Say, and I'm in the mother loving building. Yeah, welcome back to my channel, you guys. I did my hair earlier, so we're gonna do light makeup for a cute little date your girl's going on. We're gonna go to Topgolf. So yeah, I had, oh my gosh, you guys, a few things. So we were trying to figure out what we were gonna do, and we decided we're gonna go top golfing. I've never been top golfing. I tried, oh gosh, that's him. Oh, what the fuck? He just said, I'm so excited to meet you. This man. So yeah, so we're going to Topgolf. I've never been to Topgolf. I recently tried going to Topgolf for my birthday, but nobody showed up but one person. We're not gonna get into detail about that. I feel like I talked about that on my my vlog, my birthday vlog, but I like went into Topgolf, like walked in there and see what it looks like and stuff back at home in Seattle, but I've never played Topgolf before. So anyways, we're gonna go to Topgolf. Super excited. Of course, I'm gonna get my content in. I had an outfit I planned on wearing, but it's literally been raining and then it's been sunny, raining and then it's been sunny all day today. So I'm like, what is going on? So I keep on switching my outfit, so now I don't know what I'm gonna wear, and I just feel like I really don't have any clothes. Like I do, but then y'all, it's been weird. I've been gaining weight, losing weight. And it may seem like, people that know me may seem like I wear super tight clothes, but I don't. Like, I just ordered I literally just ordered what was I, oh shit, what was I saying? I don't even remember what I was saying. I ordered a skirt for Topgolf, and your girl's too big, so I'm gonna have to lose some weight. Oh, what I was gonna say was I ordered from this company called Fine Girl that has like sweatsuits and stuff like that, like the 2000s era sweatsuits or whatever. And eyebrows are a little flaky, child. Lord have mercy. And I ordered a medium because that's what I thought I was. I ordered a medium. So I just pretty much did my eyebrows, and now I'm gonna put foundation on. I could outline my eyebrows, but I like the last way I did my makeup. I don't want to do too much The people who know me, they know I don't even really like makeup all like that, but definitely gonna put some makeup on. So I had ordered from this company, Fine Girl, and they run too small. Like Fashion Nova runs too small. Like most boutiques, that's where I shop. I shop Fashion Nova, Shein, Instagram boutiques, Zara, like places like that. And they all run too small. Like Fashion Nova runs too small. And I just find myself buying stuff that are too tight. But I'm the type, like, it just motivates me to like lose weight. So instead of trying to return it, I'll keep it and see if I can lose the weight and fit it again. Fit it again or fit it. So that's what's been going on, y'all. And I just ordered from Fine Girl, and I bought one of their sweatsuits, and I got a medium because that's what I thought I am. I don't think I'm a large. I am no large. Long story short, it was too tight, and I'm like, this is fitting like a small. Like, yo, I just got a new pimple. What the fuck? It's fitting like a small, and I'm like, what the heck? This should be a medium. Like, a medium is like somebody like me, a little thicker. Like, the fuck? We're gonna contour now. And you guys, my nail broke. Today wasn't really a good day, you guys. I don't want to get too much into it, but I've been working, well, I guess I can say a little bit. I've been working on something. Basically, I'm trying to get a second job, and it's a work from home job, and I've been going through I've been doing like mini tests, assessments and tests. And the last test I had to do, I didn't even know I had to do another test. The last test I had to do, I didn't pass. But let me say this, I didn't know how to take one last exam because I passed all of the assessments. And then I'm like, okay, so all I gotta do is the learning or whatever, like the training, and then I can start. Why it says I have to take one huge exam? I'm looking at the exam, and it's saying like the first part, it's saying the first part is 44 questions, right? Then it's saying the other parts are like 3 questions. There's like 3 more parts that are 3 questions each. So I'm like, okay, easy, I could do it. Well, when I'm doing the exam, like, it's more than 44 questions. It's like I answered almost 500 questions. And I could tell this company, has a lot of like issues, like technical issues, because they just kept on saying like, oh, if they just kept on saying like, oh, if this error happens, if this error happens, do this, do this. And I'm like, what the fuck? So I'm just thinking like, why the hell am I answering 500 questions? Like, it just kept on asking me question after question after question, and then it would be like error, then question. So I had to like restart it, error, because that's what it's saying doing. And then after like answering like 500 questions, it's like, you didn't pass. And I'm like, did I really pass? But I kept on refreshing, so I did the test over and over again. And the last test, or one of the tests I didn't pass. But the other ones I did. Like, what's going on with this? So it was just like a representative will reach out to you if they give you like another chance to take the test again. And I'm like, this ain't fair, because y'all don't got your ish together. Y'all really don't have your ish together. So I'm just like, I'm just thinking like, should I just quit and just look for another job and say fuck them, or should I just try and email them and get more understanding on what the issue was? But it's like, I already took last week doing a whole bunch of assessments, and then today taking the evaluation. I don't want to waste any more time. I don't want to waste any more time on this company if y'all are going to be on bull crap. You feel what I'm saying? So anyways, I was just really irritated, and it just fucked up my whole mood, to be honest. Like, I ain't gonna hold you, it fucked up my whole mood today. Like, I had like a list of things I was gonna do today, and I really didn't do any of that. And then what's his name asked me on a date, so I'm just like, okay, let me just go and get out and do something. I've been like stuck in the house. And you guys, I freaking ordered a new setting spray on Amazon. Why the heck did I check to see where my order was? Because I'm like, wait, I didn't get it. It says the carrier is holding my stuff until like, I don't know if they want me to pick it up like in person. And I'm like, what the so honestly, I'm about to just get a return. Cause what are y'all doing? Like, give me my stuff, I paid for it. It's just been one thing after another, honestly. And this is supposed to be a busy week for me. So I'm just like, I don't want too much makeup. All right, we're gonna let that bake. Ooh. I don't know what that was. Okay, so we're going to blend the contour. I didn't do too much. I just didn't, you guys. I mean, I just didn't want to. I was gonna do a chit chat on dating in Houston, but I think I'm just gonna do its own separate video on my experience dating in Houston, baby, because what the fuck? Fuck be going on? Yeah. What the fuck be going on, honey? All right. This is what it's giving, you guys. Not too much. So I'm just doing the leftover foundation I had on my forehead, and I'm gonna do my, let's do my highlight, and then I'm gonna set my face, and then I'm gonna do my eyeliner and then my lashes. Oh man, I forgot to tell you guys, one of my drawers broke. One of my drawers literally broke, so I was gonna put a order in for maintenance today. But like I said, you guys, I've been testing for that job I was telling you guys about. So I didn't even get a chance to, because I was testing. And it told me, and then it said like, once you take the test, it was like, it takes them 5 days to, you know what I'm saying, figure out the results. So why were y'all able to tell me? Well, I think that's if you pass all of them. So I was like, if that's the case, why were y'all able to tell me I didn't pass? I hate tests. I'm really bad at tests anyways. I don't want to talk about it. Let me just stop talking about it. And I can't believe they're holding my setting spray hostage. Like, what the frick? I just have these brown leggings and these sandal heels, and then I just have this black little kind of like sports top or whatever. It's been raining, y'all. It's been raining, then it's been sunny, it's been raining. It's nighttime now, but this is all I'm gonna wear. So yeah, what's up, y'all? We're at Taco. We ate some food. I got a blueberry lemon drop. This is a lot harder than I thought. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. He's doing a really good job. Me, not so good, but he's been teaching me, so we're doing good. Wanted to tap in with you guys for a little bit, but I'm going back to enjoying the date.
Who am I? All the niggas around me, pride of the young. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. I I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just threw on a hoodie, it's a Crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know.
What's up, y'all? I'm in the car. I'm at Discount Tires. This is how you know I'm in the country. The discount don't even got the eye on it. Like, what? I had to show you guys that before I pull up. Gotta have these glasses. Yeah, looking like a baddie on a per usual. I need air in my tires. You see that light?
Yeah.
Okay.
How long has that light been on?
For the last week.
You pretty much need a sensor.
A sensor?
Yeah, because the light's on.
What is that?
Still on?
Yeah. You might have bad sensors on.
Bad sensors?
Okay?
Okay. Thank you.
I'll get some water first.
Chill, I don't have time. You guys, oh my gosh. So my light is still on. I really don't have time to have car problems. Bad sensors. I need to remember that. So y'all, I'm at Walmart right now, just grocery shopping, but I end up calling my dad about my car because I don't know shit about cars. Like, what is going on with my car? So anyways, the man said I need a new sensor. So my dad pretty much told me to just call some AutoZone places and just to ask them how much it would be to replace a sensor in my car. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Since I'm in Walmart, I know they have something for like cars and stuff. They have their own little auto place or whatever. So I'm gonna ask them how much it will be to replace a tire sensor, and then I'm gonna go from there. I'm gonna try and get it done today. Actually, I'm probably not gonna get it done today because I just got groceries, and yeah, but I'm gonna ask around and see what they say. So I'll update you guys on that. Anytime I get a pimple on my face, I always point it out because I don't have any pimples on my face. But anyways, that's what's going on, y'all. So yeah, I'm back home. Walmart is so ghetto, you guys. Oh my gosh. Child, people were staring at me left and right. A couple dudes was trying to talk to me. This man, he had his whole kid with him, was low-key just following me around and just staring me down. And I'm looking like, child, never again. Then I tried to go over to the auto place. No one was there, so I pressed the button so someone could come to the front. No one showed up, so I just left. But yeah, I'm just gonna call a few auto places. I tried calling when I was at Walmart and it was too expensive, but I'm gonna try calling a few other ones nearby to see what the cheapest price is, because I'm not about to be spending too much on a sensor for my tire. Like, come on now. And my nail, oh my gosh, I gotta get my nails done, or I gotta get my nails fixed, something. Anyways, back at home. Yeah, I gotta clean up my place because, yeah. But I am so in love with my flowers. So in love with my flowers. I love them.
Treating me so bad. You said you love me, don't wanna find me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay. See, my days are cold without you. Without you, I'm hurting you. And my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you. Without you, I'm hurting you. No more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you wanna do me wrong. See, when I'm home, I'm all alone, and you are always gone. Boy, you know I really love you, I can't deny. I can't see how you could bring me to so many tears after all these years. See, my days are cold without you. My days, yeah. no more. I can keep on moving. See my days are cold without you. Without you, without you, I can keep on, I can keep on.
I'm gonna try this salmon for you guys. It looks so good. Oh my gosh. Let's get into the kale. Anyways, I'm gonna finish eating, enjoy my dinner, and tomorrow I'm getting a tattoo. Yay! Super excited. I've been wanting this tattoo for so long, so definitely gonna take you guys with me, but I'll see you guys later. All right, what's up, y'all? With Don Dada. Did I say it correctly?
Yeah.
So anyways, we're gonna do a piece on my shoulder arm. I'm getting a lion because y'all know I'm a Leo, so I'm super excited, and I'll show you guys a little bit of the process.
I trusted you, I trusted you. So sad what love will make you do. All the things that we accept, be the things that we regret. So all of my ladies, hear me, come on, sing with me. See, when I get the strength to leave you, always tell me that you need me. And I'm weak cause I believe you, and I'm mad because I love you. So I stop and think that maybe you could learn to appreciate me. Then it all remains the same, that you ain't never gonna change, never gonna change, never gonna change. My days are cold, baby, and my heart can't take no more. No more. See, my days are cold without you. And my heart can't take no more. No more.
What happened? Y'all got me some enchiladas. I'm at the car auto place. My cousin is, well, he pretty much fixed my car, but they have to finish the inspection. I'm about to eat a little bit. I wonder if they have, I want to ask them if they got forks. I'm gonna head home, clean up my tattoo, and then we're gonna go out later. What's up, y'all? So it's been a little minute. Clearly y'all see I got my tat. Ooh, it hurts. So my cousin ended up fixing my car for me. Shout out to my cousin. He fixed my car up for me or whatever. So we hung out with my other cousin today, and then we're gonna go and get food tonight. And so I'm gonna flat iron my hair because I haven't touched it since I got tatted, because I just didn't want to deal with it. And this wig is starting to come off, so I'm gonna change my hair up. I might do curly hair next, but I like the little wave it's giving, and the lace is starting to come up. I'm probably gonna have to reinstall it or change my wig tomorrow. So right now I'm just gonna put some spray on it and tack it down, but first I need to comb out this hair. I don't even think I'm gonna flat iron it. I might just do this cool wave effect it's giving right now, or whatever. This is what it's gonna give. I'm gonna do my other side. I just don't want it to mess up my tattoo and stuff. That's how I know it's time to reinstall it, when it starts coming up. It lasted for a good it lasted for 2 weeks. No, it lasted for like a week. I only put 2 layers in it though, because you start getting like little residue up here. Next will be this side, child. Who knows what I'm gonna get that? We'll see though. I'll be ready to cover stuff up, honey. For real. Yeah, I can actually turn it. It just keeps on coming up. It's all good. Yo, I'm tired. I've been waking up so early the last 3 days. Oh, I've been really tired. But it's like, it's weird. I can't go to sleep sometimes. I just can't go to sleep. Ever since I moved here, I haven't been having like good sleeping. You know what I'm saying? I haven't had a good sleeping routine, and right when I was finna get a good sleeping routine, I went back home for my birthday and it fucked up my sleeping routine again. This is pretty much gonna be my hair. All right, y'all, this is pretty much my outfit. It's just a little dress. And I got my sandal heels. Oh, nothing too crazy. I'm going out with my cousins. My arm hurts like a... I got this dress from like Lovers or some store back at home at the mall. This is what it's giving, y'all. We love the long wig. You feel me? Y'all, my cousins are here. They're on the balcony chilling right now. Say what's up to the vlog.
What's going on, cuz?
Can't
One
really.
of the best vlogs, man. Straight from Seattle, man.
Period.
Seattle babies, man.
Anyways, y'all, we're finna go and get food. They're on the balcony right now.
She said, anyways, y'all.
See, they got lights too.
Yeah.
That's the vibe I'm trying to go
They're doing
for.
something freaky deaky over there.
I should have vlogged while they were in here. They were so hilarious. Buddy's tea. Yo. Anywho, they tried my juice, but my cousin has said pineapple gives him heartburn, so I made juice, so they tried it. Then they were worried about my flowers. I was like, don't worry about it, don't worry about it. Someone gave me those flowers.
I'm about to hit this nigga though.
Don't. Say hi to the camera. Okay. Hey.
The card, man. I'd be blessed to be out here, you understand me?
What's up, y'all? I am currently at my cousin's house. He just made me the bombest omelet, a steak omelet. When I tell you it's the best omelet I've ever had, oh my gosh. And my family's been telling me he knows how to cook and he cooks really good. But I just witnessed my first like meal with him. Chef kiss. Anywho, so yeah, he just cooked us some omelets, and we're gonna go to the gun range today. This is my first ever time going to a gun range, so I'm super excited. I don't know if I have to take a class, a mini class first, whatever the case may be. I'm actually not that nervous, but I should be a little nervous. I've held a gun once. My friend, she has her own gun or whatever, she let me hold it. But and then later on we're gonna get some lunch, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And then later on I'm gonna go back home. When I get back home, I built my table. I need to build my chair, and tomorrow I'm probably gonna go to the grocery store because I wanted to make this seaweed kale wrap that I just been craving. I was looking at videos all last night about it. But that's pretty much what I'm doing today. So I will definitely be vlogging, and I will see you guys when we get into the gun range.
Hey, dynamite, turn to $1 million and we all rich. That's just how I feel, just how I feel.
We break the code. No way, hit the brakes when they on patrol. No way, be the last one out to get the stove. No way, not one of you bucket head hoes. No way.
Me and my niggas tryna get it, yeah bitch. Yeah bitch. Hit that house, they tell me is you with it, yeah bitch. Yeah bitch. Home invasion, what's persuasive? What's persuasive? What's persuasive? From 9 to 5, I know it's vacant, yeah bitch. Yeah bitch. Brave the left.
Like, when I meet a girl, they feel like she's not experienced enough. She don't experience. Like, I've done a lot.
Yeah, I know you never breathed air before. So.
Right.